there, but I'm going in.
Juicing your set.
You know what we ought to do is show Grandpa the like the missing linkages and see if he has any
On the tractor?
Yeah, how to do that. I mean, I'm thinking maybe we just order some wire stuff. It's that diameter and bend it around or something. Because it's like the
Like, what are you talking about?
so there's connections between, like, almost between the gas pedal.
Yeah, no, it's in between
Some of
the
them are missing.
speeding thing and the. Yeah.
Oh boy.
No, Zeb's gonna be happy.
Holy moly. Wait a minute. You've been holding out on me? You got a whole box of these things?
You can't get one of those out of there?
I think he wants you to give it to him.
Yeah, something like that.
Which one do you want? Would you like this one?
Have him
Or
sit
would
too,
you
when
like
give it
this
to me.
one? Which one do you want? Huh? Which one do you want? Huh?
Because I think he's used to doing something. No. There you go. Good, Grandpa.
Say thank you, Grandpa Zeb. Zeb, say thank you, Grandpa.
Oh, he's happy.
Yes, he
He's
is.
walking away. Yeah, so what were you saying, William? I'm sorry.
So up here.
Oh, I should get the name.
Huh? What do you got?
So I actually haven't seen it run yet, but supposedly
Yeah, we can start.
William put the air filter in and all that. I haven't actually seen it.
It started with it on.
We'll give it a demonstration. We're outside, we're not inside. We can
Yep.
give you a demonstration.